Want to replace the circuit board of your freezer? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver and a new circuit board. Step 1. Remove the old circuit board. Often the circuit board housing is at the bottom of the back of the freezer. Dismantle the housing and take out the circuit board. Then disconnect all cables. Step 2. Place the new circuit board. Place the new circuit board in place of the old circuit board and connect all cables. Place the circuit board back in the housing and mount it back in place. You have replaced the circuit board and the freezer is ready to use again.